Hi guys, it's Rhonda, and in this video, I'm going to show you just how quickly you can go from prompt to listing ready design using Render Studio. Okay, I have optimized this to make designing as quick as possible for Etsy sellers. All right, I know that our time is our money, so I wanted to make this process flow as smooth as possible for everyone. So I'm going to show you real quick how fast you can go from a prompt to a completely listing ready design. All right. So I am here in the dashboard of Render Studio, and I'm just going to click on my image generator right here. I'm going to paste in my prompt that I already have ready. This is a summary popsicles, 3 popsicles in a row in like patriotic colors. So I'm going to run that, and I think I'm going to use GPT 1.5 for this. I'm going to select 2 images, and I'm going to click generate. This is probably the part of the process that takes the longest, is waiting for your images to generate, because some models take a little bit longer than others. So let's just give it a second. Let ChatGPT generate this for us. Okay, so there are our 2 designs, and I am going to go with this one right here. I think I like that one best. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to my tool switcher, and I'm going to jump to background remover. And up here in the upper right, I'm going to select history, and I'm going to choose the design I decided I wanted to use. And I think it was this one. Okay. And I'm going to send that to the background remover, and it will take just a couple seconds for it to do that. There's my design with the background removed, just that quick. And when you remove the background, that automatically saves to your history with a tag that says background removed. So I don't need to download this image to my computer and then re-upload it to get the transparent version into my upscaler. So again, I'm going to come up here to my tool switcher, and I'm going to go to image upscaler. And again, I'm going to click on my history button. I'm going to select the image that's had its background removed, and there's a tag right there letting me know, and I can upscale it now. And I have a toggle here. Now I like to make all of my designs 5,000 by 5,000. So I built in a toggle here that when you bring it to the upscaler, if you turn that toggle on, it's automatically going to make this 5,000 by 5,000 when it's done upscaling. So there's our image, my toggle's on, and I am upscaling now. So once this is done upscaling, it's going to be transparent background, 300 DPI, and size 5,000 by 5,000, exactly what I make all of my designs, and what I recommend people make their design sized at, because that's big enough that it can be used for a t-shirt design, clip art, all kinds of things. Okay, so here is our upscaled design right here. I'm going to click on it. It retains the transparency. I know a lot of image upscalers, when you upscale something with a transparent background, you lose that transparency. Not here. So now this is my completed design. It is ready to go. This is what I am giving my customer: a 5,000 by 5,000 transparent PNG 300 DPI image that they can use for sublimation, for direct to film printing, direct to garment, whatever they want. So now I'm just going to click download, and I would now create a folder for my patriotic popsicle, and I would save this in here, and I would give it the name patriotic popsicle, and then however you name your files. I may name mine by numbers then, patriotic popsicle 001, and save it. And I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to open this up in my image viewer here on my computer. 5,000 by 5,000, 300 DPI. So this is your listing ready design. Okay, so what do we have left? Next, we got to do our mockups. So I'm going to come over here to mockup generator. And in our mockup generator, we have some mockups that, are uploaded by the system and they're available for you to use. But you can also upload your own custom mockups. And then you can also build profiles. So if you have a set of mockups that you use over and over and over again, all you have to do is save them as a profile one time. And then when you come in here, just click load profile. And I have this sample set of mockups that I got ready a few days ago. And like I said, that's just a sample set. If I was selling this listing, these would be different. But again, I'm going to come down here, history. I'm going to grab my upscaled version. I'm going to send that in here. I have my profile selected with my mockups, and I'm just going to click generate 7 mockups. And just that fast, it has generated all of the mockups in my profile. So I have here one here on a flat lay, tote bag, another t-shirt, even a kitchen towel. And then I also have my infographic images here telling people what they can do with the image, what they get, and things like that. So just that quickly, in just a few seconds, I generated every one of my listing images. Again, I'll come right up here to the right. I'll click download all as a zip. I'll save it in that same patriotic popsicle folder, and I'll name it mockups. Okay, so now we have our image, we have our design, we have our mockups done. One thing left is to get our listing information. So we're going to come in here to our Etsy listing generator. We're going to come up here again to our history. We're going to select our design. And what did I do wrong? Choose from history right here. Sorry, I went to the wrong history. Right here, we're going to select our product type. It's a t-shirt design PNG. And we're going to click generate. And now this is going to take a few minutes, and it's going to try and determine the best title tags, alt text for our listing images, and description for us. Okay, so we give that just a second. And here we go. We have our title, American flag popsicle t-shirt design PNG, 4th of July sublimation, patriotic red, white, and blue ice pop clip art. Perfect. We have our tags here, and all we need to do now is go to our Etsy dashboard, create a new listing. We're going to paste all this information in where it belongs. We're going to upload that PNG file, and we're going to upload our mockups, and our listing is done. So in less than 10 minutes, we went from a prompt to a completely finished design ready for listing on Etsy, complete with title, tags, and description for us. Okay, so that's how quick it is to use Render Studio to get a design from concept to listing. Okay, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. You guys know I appreciate it. Please take a second to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.